was either
Whoever got the start.
well, not necessarily always the start. It was usually the first tag. But on those foiling boats, nobody here can identify because they're foiling at 40 knots.
And they're also $100 million.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Hey, I want my own boat. I want a different one.
But here's the thing though. When you look at car racing, NASCAR, or Formula One or something, people can identify with that better. It's a car, engine, four wheels.
Yeah,
Well, except it's got
I'm
bigger
sure it
engines.
was playing big in England and New Zealand, but yeah,
But yeah.
I'm like just reading the news on my phone. I'm
Yeah.
like, what?
But it wasn't exciting. It's like whoever
How
got
did you watch it? Like just
YouTube. It was either on ESPN or YouTube. I'm not gonna watch last week because the Kiwis were just so fast.
oh, Sean just stalled.
Yeah, out of pressure. There comes Emery catching up.
Yeah, I mean that
Is
14.
this my first laser?
Yes, first laser 1685575.
575.
Yes. And that is going to be a 41.
Oh, I'll give you time.
Okay.
So this is 1, so that'd be 14. 1441.
Is that his time?
Yeah, 1441, I'll give you the seconds. 43. Why do we have to time these? They're fleet racing.
Because you have to data entry. It's a stupid sail. Nice job, Colin. Nice job.
Oh, he can't wear the beer mug. He can't put beer in it.
Well, you can put Coke in it.
What's my next? I can't
Well, yeah.
remember now.
Gibbs and both Rob and Kim are in Cincinnati. They said, "Are you having another wild party?" He goes, "No."
I can raise this up now, Diane, so you guys can see through here. The sun's high enough. So you can see the stop. Is that better?
Let's see. It looks like it's going to be 156877 for the next laser. We're all the next year are all going about the same
Ending
speed.
in 877.
877.
156877.
Then it'll be 165923 currently. And
Not too many numbers at one time.
Yeah.
Get them, because that one may pass them.
Yeah. Oh, there's no Dave Newman today too.
No, he's out of town.
Okay.
It's going to be 1443.
So I'm gonna do the last three of the sale numbers.
Okay, yes, please.
So 877.
And 1443 is the time.
Right, and I'll give you the seconds here in a second.
Then 923, followed by then 634.
634.
40 on the seconds.
That was 877. Here comes 923.
4759 checking in.
Thanks, Dick. We got you.
50.
50 on the seconds.
Yep.
Is it still
And
43?
634.
50. 54.
54 seconds?
Yep.
And even?
Yep. 1444 or 43 with 54 seconds.
1443, that's totally different than the first two. This is not stretched out. Okay, 634, what's his first number?
And we gotta check it.
177.
Richard.
Okay.
Alright, then we have Capri coming. 2610.
Yes.
Huh? He does. Okay.
Oh, Eric has the 14.
Yeah,
Alright. So Eric, you have your first boat. This will be a 1447 probably.
14. The time you're gonna put down, Eric, is 14:45, and then I'll give you the seconds.
Yeah.
Everyone I have to come.